Do you want to make money online? Have you heard about CPA marketing? If you do, I'm sure you've also heard about CPAGRIP. The website has existed already since 2012. Do you want to make money on CPAGRIP as a complete beginner? Let me help you with that. For today's video, let's discuss how to make money on CPAGRIP. Hi! Welcome to Cash Baggy. In this channel, we talk about income opportunities such as side hustles, online income streams, and financial security. All in all, let's talk about money. CPA marketing, also known as cost per action marketing, is a type of affiliate marketing utilized by companies of all sizes to scale their marketing initiatives and reach a larger audience. This involves collaborating with a publisher, influencer, or blogger who promotes your products in return for a commission fee. If a customer buys a product as a result of the affiliate's marketing efforts, the affiliate is paid a commission. The affiliate might, for instance, create a review, place a banner ad on their website, or upload a video to social media to promote the advertiser's product. CPA marketing only demands payment after the sale is made, in contrast to other types of digital marketing strategies like cost per click or CPC, where you pay to advertise your brand without any assurance that a sale will occur. Any payments made to the publisher may be recovered if the customer requests a refund. The CPAGRIP is a CPA affiliate network. As the name suggests, you can visit this site at CPAGRIP.com. It offers some of the best pays per download and cost per action products on the market right now. It has a variety of transactions available for making and selling money. So the big question is, how can we make money on CPAGRIP and how does it work? Let's get started. How does CPAGRIP work? With CPAGRIP, you can lock anything that requires a user to enter their email address or complete any task before they can access the actual information they want to know or see. Monetization tools are the techniques used to lock the contents. 5 different monetization tools are available from CPAGRIP. Virtual currency, offer walls, video lockers, content lockers, URLs, and file lockers are some of these tools. Virtual currency. You can make use of the offer wall and offer feed platform in combination with the global or multi-postback systems with the flexibility to set your own virtual currency and conversion rates while providing the end users with a seamless experience. Offer walls. You can display to your users the appropriate geo-targeted offers that are typically used with point rewards by using offer walls. This makes it simple for you to combine several offers and give your users virtual money for each one they complete. Content lockers. The Content Locker from CPAGRIP is a fantastic tool for making money from web content. Content locking has been shown to perform better than other advertising models. URL and File Locker. The URL and File Locker allows you to lock online content so that a user has to finish an incentive program to access the link or file. Your file sites can be successfully made profitable by using this type of advertising. Video Locker. You can overlay a video component on your website by using video locking. However, to view the video content, the user must complete an offer. The user can still use the other website features while doing so. Small content publishers will love this method of monetizing their videos. You will make money on CPAGRIP when people use your promotional links to enter their emails, pin, or complete tasks like surveys, downloads, etc. Every country has a different amount of money. leading countries pay more for leads. What do you think about these points so far? Please share them in the comments section below. And hey, if you are still new to our channel and you love our topics, please consider subscribing so that you will be notified anytime we upload a new video. Also, give it a thumbs up as this will allow YouTube to show this video to more people. Thanks! And now, let's continue. You can start making money on CPAGRIP by following these 4 simple steps. Step 1. Sign up for an account. The first thing you need to do is go to CPAGRIP.com and click the register button at the top of the page. To complete your registration, fill out the form and sign up for a Skype account. You can ignore the company and website from this section since they are not required. Under Publisher Type, select any option you want to use to promote affiliate links. If none of the options appeal to you, select another. Once your registration is complete, click Login to access your dashboard. Step 2. Go to My Offers. Scrolling down allows you to see other charts and a list of the current hottest offers. Explore My Offers by clicking the side menu. This will list all of the offers you must choose from, starting with the best. Both desktop and mobile offers are included in this. Using the 3 filters in the search bar at the top of the page will help you narrow down the selection of offers available to you. Select the offer you want to promote and send traffic. Receive payment each time one of the visitors you sent to the link engages in conversation. Instructions and guidelines are specific to each offer. Before copying the link, be sure to read them. Step 3. Select an offer you want to promote. By scrolling in the My Offers section, you can select an offer that you want to promote. Always remember that you have to read the terms and guidelines for that specific offer so you can receive payment and save time. Get your specific affiliate link. The raw affiliate link being distributed widely online might deter many people from clicking on the link. So go to bit.ly to shorten the link if you want it to look appealing. You can now share this link wherever you want to spread the word about it. Step 4. Promote your link. Social media is the best platform where you can promote your affiliate link. You can pay for ads to boost your audience, but this is just an option. You can also create YouTube videos and paste your link in the description box. One of the best ways to market your CPAGRIP affiliate links is to create a Facebook page or join a group for your particular niche. The built-in scheduler lets you make posts, specify who should see them, and schedule them in advance. Always remember to make your audience trust you. Be sure to have a sense of authority and legitimacy. Build relationships. People are more likely to purchase from content creators they know, like, and trust. You can establish connections with potential customers by answering their comments on your posts, leaving comments on their posts, or sharing their content. Remember that building a relationship takes time, so be persistent and patient in your efforts. CPAGRIP affiliate marketing is a fantastic way to make money online. You can promote your affiliate offer in various ways and connect with your target market. Just be sure to build relationships with your audiences. Your affiliate link click-through rate will increase because of this, and trust will increase. What do you think about this topic? Do you agree with us too? Do you think CPAGRIP is legit or a scam? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.